eyelash nearly popped off. Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm doing this really cute look. It's a neon, obviously, neon orange look, and you probably saw by the title too and the thumbnail, but if it's not obvious by then, this kind of just shows you. My Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. I post lots of makeup posts, obviously. I post lots of makeup looks over on there, and I'm going to start doing Instagram videos soon, so yeah, I will be posting Instagram videos soon too. I never really do this sharp line here, but I really wanted to do it today because I never really do anything different and I just wanted to do something a little bit different. But yeah, it's quite simple and easy, so if you want to see how I did this look, then carry on watching. Right, okay, so please don't be annoyed at me. I accidentally deleted the first clip of the video when I was deleting footage to clear storage. Luckily I have the other eye to show you. So basically what happened was I took the Sample Beauty pigment in the shade Slinky, which is this really bright orange. It's part of their Nostalgia collection, which is like a neon range, and I just packed this on using one of their brushes. I then took a Morphe M506 I believe and just slightly blended that out. I then took the Paradigm Shift palette, which I will show on the screen now. So there's two orangey shades and kind of blended out that shade, and then I took the yellow and blended out the top part. I then just cleaned up the edges to make a sharp line. Took some concealer and a flat brush just to clean the edges up as well. The rest of the video is fine, like it's just that little clip, so please just keep on watching because I just swear something always goes wrong when I film. So this look is actually quite simple because it's just blended and then cut at the sides. On my inner corners I'm going to use the Sample Beauty pigment in Stacey, which is with Stacey Marie MUA I believe, and it's just this bright yellow. I know it's not orange, but I don't have an orange one, I don't think. So I'm going to take some of the NYX Glitter Primer, just a little bit, and I'm just going to take some of the yellow pigment. Just taking away any fallout from those pigments, because pigments are going to give fallout, like that's just a given. It wasn't too bad though, I'm surprised. I never really use primer because I never really see a difference, but I want to try this again today. I have used it like a couple of times. Ardell In Her Prime Face Primer. So for foundation today, I'm going to mix the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Alabaster with a bit of the LA Girl Pro Coverage in the shade Porcelain, because NYX one is a little bit too light for me. And then I'm just blending it out with my Real Techniques sponge. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This one's definitely running out, but I don't want to open my new one because this one definitely has loads more product in it. I can't get the stopper out though. I know everyone says to do that, I can't get it out. So I have to go with a brush, and then the brush gets all dirty and I just, oh, it's stress. Then for a bit of cream bronzing, I'm taking the NYX Cream Contour Palette, and I don't know which shade to take. I usually just kind of dip into all of them and just apply it. That was nothing. I hardly dipped into anything there. I'm gonna dip back in to the pigment. And I think I'm just going to use this pigment on the lower lash line because I don't want it to fade too much. And I'm only taking a tiny bit and kind of scraping it off the edge. And then packing it on M506 brush. And I'm basically taking some of the pigment, tapping it off on my hand, and then blending it out. On my waterline, I'm going to put the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Now I'm just taking the yellow from the Paradigm Shift palette and I'm just packing that on my waterline. And for bronzer, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Pop Off Coral Blush Trio by Morphe, and I'm taking the shade Unapologetic. These are so pigmented, I don't know why I went into that so much. And I'm just putting that, I can't believe I'm just putting that, this part of my cheek. What is that and where did it come from? Oh, oh, get away. Fucking hell. Eh? Ah! I got it out. And then for highlights today, I'm going to be using the Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills in Sugar. I bought this back in March and I have hardly used it, so I want to use it again today. So I think I'm going to take the shade Marshmallow because it's like a yellowy shade. I'm going to put on a little bit of mascara. This is the Mascara Revolution by Makeup Revolution. And the lashes I'm going for are the Bish lashes by Bo Beauty and my friend Abby Roberts Artistry. She's incredible and I really, really like these lashes. They're really crazy, but I think with this look, they'll go with it. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to take the Morphe lip liner in Honeymoon, which needs to sharpen. And then I'm going in with the NYX Suede Matte Lipstick in the shade Fetish, which is a really nude shade. And I never go for these sort of shades, but I wore it yesterday and I kind of fell in love. It probably looks so weird on me. I'm going to go in with the NYX Lingerie Gloss in the shade Sable, which is quite a similar shade. It's basically the same. So this is the finished look. It's super simple and just fun, really. I know people won't wear this on the daily, but I mean, you can. I would. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm just kind of getting back into YouTube right now. Please subscribe if you're new, and if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. It would really mean a lot. And yeah, let me know if you have any video requests and I'll try and do them. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.